All right, well, I've been working outside probably 7 to 8 hours now. Started this morning. The whole plan was to get down a lot of trees while the temperature was in the 40s. And like I say, I know I sound like a broken record, but this is really a good time of the year to do a lot of this strenuous outdoor projects because of that. I mean, I don't think I could have been able to do this even at 80 degrees because of the high humidity. But anyway, I also figured I would point this out as well. I got this WEN, W-E-N, electric chainsaw off of Amazon. It was also, I think, Amazon's choice. For the musicians out there, it's not WEM. I know I'm familiar with that old 60s amp, but it's not. It's the WEN chainsaw, and it came with the cover. And you'll probably need to put more oil in it about halfway through the day. The oil went a pretty good ways with it. It's real simple to use. I mean, it's got an orange cap right there for the oil fill, and it came with this cover. And the way you tighten this up is simply by pushing up on this. You have to loosen this first, and then you can tighten it up with that. There, it's really easy to use, and it's really easy to keep the blade tight on there as well, or the chain. And so anyway, this is a done deal project now, and so now it's just a matter of getting all this hauled off. You can see right there, I got those trees down. Just give you an example of how much was cut with this. And believe it or not, that chain is still sharp. I could still cut some more, even after cutting up 7 fully grown trees. I really can't believe that electric saw was able to do that, but it did. And so if you are living down here in Hurricane Alley, where we are here in South Alabama, you know, it'd probably be a good idea to keep one of these saws on hand, but you're probably going to need a generator to run this, so it might be a better idea to have a gas saw. You know, you may need it to cut your way out of your driveway. So anyway, that's another project down. I don't really want to call this an episode. This is really just more of what I did here at my house to kind of sort of prepare a year along for hurricane season, which is coming up in the summertime. And that's what I said. You have to prepare for these storms all year round. At least you should. Thanks for taking the time to watch this, guys, and take care.
So here's the deal. Bought this little chainsaw. It was cheap, and you know, as they always say, you get what you pay for. Piece of shit, or junk, excuse me. See that? Every time I try to use it, it just falls apart. I've tried tightening it, loosening it, taking it a little easier, and then I have to bear down so hard to cut through anything. Yeah, don't buy this thing. Pay the money and get you a good one. I'm sending this piece of garbage back. Oh, the chain came off.